The ancient astronaut theory suggests that extraterrestrial beings visited Earth in the distant past and influenced the development of human civilizations. Proponents of this theory argue that many ancient structures, artifacts, and myths point to advanced knowledge and technologies that could not have been achieved by early humans alone. This article explores the foundations of the ancient astronaut theory, examines evidence from various ancient civilizations, and discusses the implications of accepting this controversial hypothesis. Origins and popularization. The concept of ancient astronauts gained widespread attention in the mid-20th century, largely due to the works of authors like Erich von Däniken and Zacharias Sitchin. In his 1968 book Chariots of the Gods, Solved Mysteries of the Past, von Däniken proposed that many ancient structures and myths were the result of alien intervention. Sitchin's books, particularly The 12th Planet, suggested that the Sumerian gods were actually extraterrestrials from a planet called Nibiru. Proponents of the ancient astronaut theory make several key arguments. Advanced technologies. They claim that many ancient structures, such as the pyramids of Egypt and the Nazca lines in Peru, exhibit advanced engineering techniques that could not have been achieved with the tools available to ancient peoples. Ancient texts and myths. Many ancient texts and myths describe gods or beings descending from the sky, often accompanied by flying machines or other advanced technology. Artifacts and anomalies. Various artifacts and anomalies, such as the Antikythera mechanism and the Baghdad battery, are cited as evidence of advanced knowledge in ancient times. The Great Pyramid of Giza is one of the most iconic and debated structures in human history. Ancient astronaut theorists argue that its precise construction, astronomical alignments, and massive scale suggest the involvement of extraterrestrial intelligence. The Great Pyramid consists of over 1 million limestone blocks, some weighing as much as 80 tons. The precision with which these blocks were cut and assembled, along with the alignment to the cardinal points, has led some to believe that advanced technology was used. Astronomical alignments. The pyramids are aligned with remarkable precision to the constellation Orion, which some theorists suggest indicates knowledge of astronomy beyond that of the ancient Egyptians. The Nazca lines are a series of large geoglyphs etched into the desert floor in southern Peru. These lines depict various animals, plants, and geometric shapes, some of which are over 1,000 feet long. The sheer scale and precision of the Nazca lines are best appreciated from the air, leading some to speculate that they were created with the assistance of aerial reconnaissance, possibly by extraterrestrial visitors. While mainstream archaeology suggests that the Nazca lines were created for religious or astronomical purposes, the ancient astronaut theory posits that they may have been landing strips or signals for alien spacecraft. The Sumerians left behind a wealth of text and artifacts, including the famous Sumerian king List and the Epic of Gilgamesh. Some of these texts describe beings known as the Anunnaki, who descended from the sky and imparted knowledge to humanity. The Sumerians are credited with many firsts in human history, including writing, the wheel, and advanced astronomy. Theorists suggest that this sudden burst of knowledge may have been influenced by extraterrestrial visitors. The Maya civilization, which thrived in Mesoamerica from 2000 BCE to the 16th century CE, is renowned for its advanced knowledge of mathematics, astronomy, and architecture. The Mayans built elaborate observatories and developed a highly accurate calendar system. The precision of their astronomical knowledge, including the prediction of solar and lunar eclipses, has led some to speculate about extraterrestrial assistance. Palenque sarcophagus. The lid of the sarcophagus of Pacal the Great, a Mayan ruler, depicts what some theorists interpret as an ancient astronaut piloting a spacecraft. Cultural and historical impact. Accepting the ancient astronaut theory would fundamentally alter our understanding of human history and the development of civilizations. It would suggest that humanity has been influenced by extraterrestrial beings, potentially changing the way we view our origins and place in the universe. Mainstream scientists and archaeologists largely dismiss the ancient astronaut theory, citing a lack of empirical evidence and plausible alternative explanations for the achievements of ancient civilizations. Critics argue that the theory violates the principle of Occam's razor, which states that the simplest explanation is usually the correct one. They contend that the accomplishments of ancient civilizations can be explained through human ingenuity and incremental advancements over time. Many of the arguments made by ancient astronaut theorists are based on misinterpretations or exaggerations of archaeological and historical evidence. For example, the precision of the Great Pyramid's construction can be explained by careful planning and the use of simple but effective tools and techniques. The ancient astronaut theory has been criticized for undermining the achievements of ancient peoples and cultures. By attributing their accomplishments to extraterrestrial intervention, the theory can be seen as diminishing the ingenuity and capabilities of early human societies. The ancient astronaut theory offers a provocative and imaginative perspective on the development of human civilizations. While it is unlikely to be accepted by mainstream science without more concrete evidence, it continues to capture the curiosity and imagination of many. Whether viewed as a legitimate hypothesis or a captivating piece of modern mythology, the theory prompts us to re-examine our understanding of history and the potential for life beyond Earth as we continue to explore the cosmos and uncover new archaeological findings. The question of whether we have been visited by extraterrestrial beings remains an intriguing and open-ended mystery.